When I dead my dearest, don't make your eyes wet. Don't forget me as I never exist. Don't write an elegy about me. When I dead my dearest, when you want to meet, when you want to talk, when you want to hug, I will meet you in your dreams, beside you near the seashore, under the rainy lightning sky. You always find in the corner of your heart. When I dead my dearest, you can find me in books. You can find me in your imaginative characters. You can find me in nature. You can find me in raindrops. You can find me in the sand of desert. You can feel me in the fragrant flowers. When I dead my dearest, you can never forget me. We can't be separate. You will find me in your thoughts and in your soul. When I dead my dearest.